Okay, so welcome at the Wannsee Visitor Center here in Cuxhaven. My name is Johanna, and I do the tour with you today. So we just discussed that we'll do it in English. Is that okay for everyone? Maybe I don't know the names of all the animals in English, but yeah, we'll see. So maybe I'll do some things in German and then translate the things that are necessary for you. So who of you is from America? Is it like half of you? And the others are students here in Germany? Where do you come from? So which city do you? Hamburg? Oh, right, okay. So is this one of your program things here while you're here? Nice. So have you been to the Wannsee before? No? Some of you? So yeah, I think it's a really good thing for you to do while you're here in Germany, for those who are from America, because it's a really special thing to see that that parts of the seafloor fall dry and you can walk on it, and you can find so many animals and so many living organisms there. We really see that when we are outside. So yeah, I first give you a little small introduction here, and then we'll go and go for a walk in the Wannsee. I show you a map, and this is just a picture of the region here. And the whole area, the brown area here, is the area that falls dry, and you can walk on the seafloor there. We are here. This is Cuxhaven, the visitor center, and from here to the edge of the Wannsee, it's 18 kilometers. So it's a really large area, and that's what makes it special. And the whole tile flat here, the whole area, this is a larger map, is really large. It goes from the Netherlands to Germany and up to Denmark. And this whole area is one, how do you say that, zusammenhängende Fläche. So it's like
one continuous natural
continuous area.